let's get to the fun stuff and see what's in the box. This is the Oricle TrueFit hearing aid. It's a behind the ear style, meaning that you've got a part that'll hook behind your ear and a tube that comes into your ear. We'll slide this out and see what's in the box. All right, so this is the case that your hearing aids come in. This is a charging case and also just a safe place to keep them. And you open it up and you'll see that you have two hearing aids, a right and a left. We also have some literature in here for you. We have better hearing in 21 days. So this is just some tips on how you can get adjusted to your new hearing aids. We know that it doesn't happen overnight. The Let's Get Started guide. So this is going to be everything I'm going through with you today, just to get you up and running, and you can have this at your fingertips with some pictures. And then we have the Relearning Sound and Users Guide. This is going to answer any questions that you may not see in here. It'll go more in depth into your hearing aids and help you with troubleshooting. Of course, if you can't find the answer in here, you can always reach out to customer service. In addition, we have the charging cable. So this has a USB-C that plugs into the back of the case. And then you'll just plug the USB into any charging port that you have at home. We have a cleaning tool that's got a brush on the end of it. And I'll go over how to use this in a little bit. And then we have two baggies that have domes or tips in them. And this is the part that goes into your ear. We have open and close and a variety of sizes to meet your needs.